In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to initiate a three-way call on Microsoft Teams. Navigating through Microsoft Teams to initiate a three-way call can seem intricate at first, but with this guide, we'll walk through each step together smoothly. Whether it's for work or catching up with friends, setting up a group call can be done in just a few clicks. Firstly, you'll want to access the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, find the Sign In button to enter your account details. This step is your gateway to all the features Teams has to offer, so make sure you're entering the correct information to successfully log in. After you've successfully signed in, head over to the Chats section. This area of Teams allows you to view your message history, engage in ongoing conversations, or start new ones. It's where all your direct communication on Teams takes place. Now select a message. This could be any conversation from your chat list, perhaps someone you're already in dialogue with or planning to include in your three-way call. By selecting a message, you're setting the foundation for your group chat. Once you're in a conversation, you're going to look for the Start a Group Chat icon. This might appear as a small icon next to your chat box or within the conversation settings. Clicking this icon will transition your current conversation into a group setting. Here's where you add the members to your call. Start typing the name of the person you want to include in the search bar. As you type, suggestions will pop up below, making it easy for you to select the correct contact. If you have a third person to add, repeat this process until everyone you wish to include in your call is listed. Once you've selected all members for your call, find and click on the Create button. This action officially forms your group chat. Now that your group is assembled, it's nearly time to start your call. Lastly, initiate your three-way call by clicking on Audio Call. This option could be represented by a phone or microphone icon depending on your version of Teams. Clicking this will send a call notification to all members of the group, pulling everyone into the conversation. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to making a three-way call on Microsoft Teams. Remember, effective communication is key in both setting up the call and during your conversation. Now, with these simple steps, you're ready to connect and collaborate with ease. Enjoy your call.